When reversing, visibility can become a real problem. Blind spots and tight spaces can make things difficult. Fortunately, there's a simple solution. Introducing the PNI TRK501 system, a wireless rear-view camera with LCD monitor. In the box, you get the camera, the monitor, the power cables and all necessary accessories for installation. The system works wirelessly, without complicated cables between the camera and monitor. The monitor features DVR functionality and a microSD card slot, so you can record everything. Infrared LEDs provide clear visibility even at night. Perfect for trucks, vans, or any vehicle where visibility is limited. Choose PNI TRK501. More safety with every maneuver. You can find the link in the comments.